has been formed. That's the breaking input that we're getting. IB, NI and NSG along with police officials are included in this SIT. For more information, let's go across to Priyank. Yes, Priyank.
Yes, Swati, the senior officials from the Intelligence Bureau will be coordinating this particular team of officials, which is led by 3 DG rank officers from several states, which also include the Delhi Police Commissioner, the Jammu and Kashmir Police Commissioner, and also several inputs will also be gathered from all the other states. Home Secretary was also part of this particular meeting. We have to understand the style of Amit Shah, the Home Minister of the country, wherever he has thought about that he has to bring out and throw something from the roots, he has done it. You talk about the Naxals, you talk about the terror funding operations which has been there from the Jammu and Kashmir or from the Chhattisgarh terror module, Naxal module. Everything has been destroyed, and the man in with the JAM has managed to enter in the universities of the medical institutions. It is very important. It's a high time for the security apparatus to take this thing into account and bring all those suspects who could be behind several possible terror attacks. In the last few days, what we have seen that 5 of the doctors have been arrested by the security agencies, which is a very worrying thing. Most of them are from Jammu and Kashmir or from the state of Uttar Pradesh. So these factors are also being considered. So every trail, any kind of contact to these individuals by the suspects or the kind of ideology, sharing it on the social media platform, talking to them, coordinating them, and also providing logistical support to them will be taken into task. This is what the mandate has come out from this particular meeting, which has just now ended. The National Investigation Agency will be soon taking over this probe. That will be a procedural thing, but the NIA is already probing this particular case. So a foolproof mechanism has been decided in this particular meeting, which has just concluded at the Ministry of Home Affairs, where the Home Minister had taken this meeting with several officials. So far, as this case is concerned, 500 officials are working in tandem to break every chain which was connecting their dots to this particular model.
Officers are going to be part of the SIT that includes officers from IB, NI, NSG and police constables as well. Priyank, Ankit, Isha and Dipankar, stay on with us. Let's get more details about the faces of white-collar terror. Those who are under the scanner, educated individuals, all of them doctors. Now, let's begin with Dr. Umar Nabi. He is the suspected suicide bomber. Remember, he was the one who managed to escape when the terror module was being busted in Faridabad. Then, Dr. Adil Ahmed Rathar has been arrested from Saharanpur. Dr. Muzammil Shakil arrested from Faridabad. And what's the common link between all of them? Not just that they were all doctors. All three worked at Government Medical College in Anantnag. Let's move on. Let's tell you more links that are common between these individuals. Dr. Muzammil Shakil arrested from Faridabad. Dr. Shaheen Shahid arrested from Faridabad. This woman, this is what reports are suggesting. This is the woman who was tasked with the job of radicalizing people using social media. She was tasked with heading the women's wing of Jaish-e-Mohammed by Masood Azhar's sister. She's been arrested. AK-47 was recovered from her possession. They were employed at Al-Falah Medical College, Faridabad. The common links between the faces of white-collar terror. These individuals under the scanner arrested except for Dr. Umar Nabi, who is the suspected suicide bomber. He was the one who was driving the I-20 that exploded, killing people and injuring innocents. Let's go back to our reporters. We have Ankit on the broadcast with us. Ankit, at the moment, the operation is intensifying. Accomplices of these individuals who've been arrested, all doctors, have also come under the scanner of the agencies.
Yes, when we look on the past 2 days, we have seen the terror ecosystem has been cracked down by the Jammu and Kashmir police. This is the Jaish-e-Mohammed module which was busted by the Jammu and Kashmir police yesterday. We have seen the press conference by the Faridabad police also. Now, what we are getting to know from Jammu and Kashmir police sources is that the intensified searches are being still going on to nab on the terror ecosystem. and many of them have been detained, questioned by the Jammu and Kashmir police. With this regard, the Delhi blast case, Jammu and Kashmir police investigation is going on.
Right. And not just Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the investigation, the operation, the raids happening in Uttar Pradesh as well. We